All right, showing how to assemble an Amazon 4-pack sauce box. This is our outer box, our two inners, and then our separator. Don't forget our sauces. So first, tape up the bottom. Like that. Once you flip that over, then you take one of the folded, you gotta fold these. See how there's these creases here? You gotta fold them so that it becomes like this. Then you just stuff this into the box like there so that there's extra padding on the bottom. Then you take the insert here and drop that in. Once you have that, you put it in your 4 bottles. Chicago, or that's Gangster, Fry, Fire, Chicago. Never forget our recipe card / coupon card. And then you take the other folded side, fold that over once again like this, put it over like that on top. See how it fits really nicely? Fold it so you can see the fragile sticker. And never forget, with Amazon, we have to use these UPC. That is how you do a Chicago 4-bottle box for Amazon. Thank you.